So as a agency function, the bankers, they will help us to transfer fund from one account to another account. Second thing is they will they will collect and they will pay various items. What are the various items? First thing is checks. So we will pay we will pay or else we will withdraw money with the help of checks. And bills, as we have discussed here, bill of exchange, that also a agency function. Then next one is about what are the other services, like they will pay as dividend, rent. So collection and payments, even for example insurance, tax, it is possible for us to pay through bank. Yes, now we are paying through online banking, we are paying everything. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Through online payments, we are even we are doing, we are recharging our mobile phones, and we are paying insurance, and we can able to pay tax. So all those things comes under agency function. Next one is purchase and sale of foreign exchange, like American dollar and Dubai dirham and Saudi Arabian real. So those foreign currencies we can able to exchange, and we can able to convert that foreign currency into Indian rupees, or else simultaneously we can convert our Indian rupees to foreign currencies. These foreign exchange work also done by whom? Commercial banks. Then purchase and sales of securities. I think in cash loan, cash loan in what they will do, they will give us loan for what? Purchase of financial securities. Yes,
Yes, sir.
are you all there, guys?
Yes, sir.
So let me share that one also. You can see. So this is what. So cash credit. In cash credit, what they will do, like financial assets, okay, stock, bond, and shares. So these for purchasing of these financial assets, they will give us loan. Commercial bank will give us loan. That was the thing we have discussed. Along with as a agency function, what they will do, they will instead of they will not stop with uh, providing loan. They will not stop only by providing loan. Along with that, they will do purchase and sales of the shares and stocks that will be carried over in commercial bank. Then income tax consultancy. Suppose we have to pay tax. We are the current account holder. We have a business or firm in our firm. For that we have to pay taxes. So they will give us guidance, advice how we can able to pay. What are all the ways we can able to reduce the taxes? All those things will be carried over by whom? Commercial bank. So these are all the agency functions. The next one is trustee and executor. So trustee and executor in the sense what? Suppose any account holder. So suppose if unexpected death, in that case, what will happen? The commercial bank will be the custodian for that money, and they will hand over that money to the right persons. Okay. So next one is letter of reference. So these are all the concept already we have discussed. Just I'm revising you. So what do you mean by reference? So they will give us a good opinion about us. For example, if we are applying any job, okay, any interview, they will ask reference from our old institution or old firm. So we need to give two persons contact, and what they will do, that firm, they will suppose in your from your interview, the interviewer will call to that particular number and they will ask, suppose Mr. Abhishek is working in a Dell. So what they will do, they will call to Dell and they will ask how Abhishek, how his performance, whether he is good or bad. Okay, so all those things will be asked by that interviewer. So they will give, that is for reference. As like that, during our business transaction or a business, that the bankers will give us what a letter of reference to our customers. They will give what a good opinion or else a good information, valid information about us to our customers. Okay, and also what is our economic position of our company in the market. So all these information will be given to our customers, so that they can able to have a good rapport with us, rapport with us. So at finally, general utility functions. So we all know locker facility. Locker, like bank will provide us locker facilities where we can able to keep certain items for our safety, like valuable items, ornaments, or else documents. We can keep it very safely. And also they will give us travelers check. So what is travelers check? As like visa card. Suppose if we people are traveling to any other country, we can instead of cash. Okay, suppose we forgot to take cash or else shortage of cash. In that case, we can use this checkbook and we can able to what we can use this checkbook as a medium of exchange where we can able to purchase or else do shopping, whatever we can, whatever we like to do, we can able to do with the help of travelers check. Then letter of credit, in short we will call it as LC. What is letter of credit? So since bank, it is a water, it is also one of the agency functions. So suppose if we need to we are importing a goods from USA. So we know so suppose a person, unknown person from America, like George Bush, is there in America and we are buying goods from him, or else we have to export goods from India to America. So he is a unknown person, and then without knowing how we can able to pay in advance, or else without knowing us how we will do shopping. So here the bankers will act as a middleman. So they will give us a letter of credit and they will do this import and export as a what middleman, and they will do this very honestly. Then underwriting securities. So what is underwriting securities? Like stocks, debentures, that all those financial securities will be what here the commercial bank also undertake the task of underwriting securities. Since we have faith, what is our full faith? Full faith. So while withdrawing currency from ATM, we know very well this is a 100% original currency, even though it is a, it looks very new, fresh. How we believe that? Because it is a we have withdrawn from ATM, so we believe that. So as like that, suppose any securities like bankers they are selling or purchasing, we will believe them and we will do that. And last one is collection of statistics. So what is statistics? Anyone? Boys, girls, are you all there?
So that is used
Yes,
to
yes.
compare the data.
We will collect the data and we will give a what proper end. We will collect the data and we will give us a proper explanation with the statistics. For example, this is also a statistics. Can you able to see this? District
Yes, sir.
wise, how many people we have
Okay.
elected? This is the statistics. So in Chennai, 59 percentage. That is the lowest, very low. You can see only 59 percentage of people they have voted. and maximum Kallakurichi 78.78%. That is the maximum. So rest of the people need, so to overall 71 percentage people to 71 percentage peoples in our country, they have voted. So remaining 29 percentage of people, they didn't vote. Yes, are you all there with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what statistics. Okay, in statistics, what we can able to, what we can able to find a solution for that, and we can able to identify anything with the help of sample or sampling techniques. Okay, so we can able to do primary data, secondary data, all those things. So this is what statistics. So how a commercial bank, they will give us statistics in the sense. So for example, how many current account holders are there? Okay, and so how many current account holders? Then what is their transactions, and all those things. What are the trading they are doing? Okay, so hence they have advised customers to on financial matters. So they will collect the information, and they will analyze, and they will give us a good valuable feedback. So these are all the water secondary functions of commercial bank. So what is the meaning of utility? Somewhere else we have discussed. Anyone? Somewhere else we have discussed about utility.
The measurement of satisfaction.
Yes. So it is a imaginary tool to measure the level of satisfaction. Very good, Miss Indu. So I request you people to give a big hand to Miss Indu. I think all others you forgot this. Okay, Ravi, you can stop.